Hey guys, when it comes to building your landing pages, a lot of people really get boggled down in branding, colors, whatnot, which is all great. It's all gravy. It's really important. But the most important thing is the structure, is the frameworks. It's having clean design, icons, making it as visual as possible, benefit focused copy. You need a VSL, you need videos, as much videos as possible. And please, for the love of God, if you're going to put featured in logos of past clients or featured in magazines, please be very wary of putting featured in Forbes. Forbes does not have the same meaning, the same connotation as it used to have. It's like saying you drink water. You know, there's nothing special about being Forbes anymore. So just think about another brand, another magazine, another client you work with other than Forbes or another publication. Really, for reviews, testimonials, you want to put in past client logos, video testimonials, text reviews, big publications really. But if it's just Forbes, and Forbes is the only one you have, or want Forbes in another one, it's not going to really do that much. I mean, it's better than nothing, but really steer clear of, just be wary of Forbes, okay? But yeah, you want to focus on the design, icons, visual, benefit focus, copy. Really focus on, copywriting is so underrated. So is design, but really people get really thinking about colors, fonts, whatnot, but no, just focus on the message and focus on the benefits you're going to give to your client, like the benefit of the benefit. What is the transformation? Imagine your client is on one side of a canyon, they want to get to the other. You and your product service is the bridge. So your bridge will take them to where they want to go. That's it. Super simple. Quick video for today. Have a great day, everyone.